Anything new or different going on with your back at all?
No,
If anything, I just help kind of keep you fine tuned.
yeah, that's right.
I was just telling the last guy I saw he needs to do yoga. So have give me a breath in here first. And out. Not gonna lie to you, I was a little too nice to you there. Maybe a little more pressure there. And out. Want to make sure we get a little more movement through there. It's one spot you carry tension well is in the shoulder blades. Yeah. Yep. Nice. A little rotated in the pelvis, not bad. I'm gonna have you put your right foot over your left because it helps open up this SI joint right here where the tailbone and pelvis meet. It takes a little more pressure off it. You will feel it just a little bit more, okay? Not bad though. There we go. I love being wrong on that kind of stuff.